If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Y'all know what a heptagon is? Hold up. Let me hold up for a second. Oh my god, I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. Of course it'd be 7 sides. Of course it'd be 7 sides, y'all. Good evening. What's up, Leia? How you doing? 7 sides. Yep, there we go. Here, everybody. Everybody want to know what a heptagon is? It's not a Pokemon, that's for sure. English captions on in 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Rainbow roses, fancy eyes, 녹아내려 inside your eyes. 현실 같은 꿈의 sight.
Okay. Start with JB.
I left my guard down for a minute.
What? Who was reaching for what? Why you yell? Oh, you can't be laying down like that in 2 chairs. You fit in 2 chairs? That's cute. Oh. Hey man, you need to put that glass down. You be drinking. I worry about you, my boy. Woo. Oh, you look extra thick too. You better walk that walk. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. Wait, hold up. I know I'm a icon. Watch me with the lights on. Watch me with the lights on. Watch me with the lights. Excuse me? Watch me with the lights on? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, can I see you, Yu? Like a python. Oh, yeah. Okay, Mark. Hold up. Oh my God, he's starting off with private jets, Jackson. Hold up, let me give Mark his flowers, bro. Shout out to Mark. No, wait, hold up. Let me go back to like the chorus though. That chorus hit different. What does it say? God, watch me with the lights on. Hold on me like a python. Sir, future. No. Hey, icon. Son, you got a hold on me like a python. Hey. Bro, they on a jet, huh? Ooh. Bleeding now? He be selling out. Hey, yo, appreciate you. Thank you for following. Wait, who followed me? I can't even see who followed me. Nerfed 0001 follow. Thank you so much. Appreciate the subscription, Liv. Appreciate you for all that. Follow me in the last hour. Thank you. Oh my God, this man. Got Jackson right here. Ooh. Oh shit. Yo, thank you so much. Shauna said, I live. Hello, let's go. GOT7 comeback. I teared up when I watched this MV. I missed him so much. Me too, girl. Let's go. First of all, Jackson was flexing on them hoes. Hold up. Money stacked his face. Yeah. That pre-chorus hit too. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Like a python. Future. Damn, in the snow too. Ooh. Hey, shout out to Young J too, bro. Oh, with you. Oh, it just changed up. I like the little, like that. That's fire. I should move on. I know I'm not. I know I'm an icon. With you, all of the lights off, but she got a hold. She still got that hold though. She got that Python hold. Yeah. Wait. Sorry, I was bumping, bro. The dogs are going crazy. What the hell? Whoa. Oh, okay, icon. Damn, look at that ring. You see them rings he wearing? Dang, how much that cost? $3? Python. Got that little snow come trickling in. Winter heptagon. Why is it called winter heptagon? Are we past winter? Or I guess we're still in the winter. GOT7 in the building. God damn, it's good to see them, bro. Nah, when that fucking chorus first hit, y'all. The 7, when I sing, yeah, that is their symbol when they do this. Bruh. The way that this is produced, I love this. It's too short, though. I love the chorus right here. I know I'm an icon, watch me with the lights on, but she got a hold on me like a python. I don't wanna lose her, she was my future. Yeah. No. I should move on, I know. Icon. Yeah. Let's go, GOT7. Everybody give it up for GOT7 in the comments. Yo, hype it up for GOT7 right now. Come on, y'all. GOT7 in the building. GOT7 in the building. I wish they were literally in my building. Is that all? Is that all the, like, are we gonna get more? I want more. I really want more, like, what do you call it? Oh, they did like a, anyway, I want more music videos. I just wanted more of them. Am I being too selfish? Am I being a little selfish? We're gonna be checking out the album soon too, by the way. Don't worry. We got you. But GOT7's Python MV, that shit go fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.